Adarsh Shinde, BA LLB second year, Lokmanya Tilak Law College, Tilak Maharashtra Vidyapit, Pune. This is my residential area, society. It's beautiful area. You look at here and there. We are taking care about cleanliness. So now all are suffering from corona pandemic situation. So strictly to take care precaution. So you look at all places. Everywhere is clean, so nice cleaning. But so look at there. Something went wrong. I think so. Gunny bag is garbage. Gunny bags is kept in not correctly. Look this garbage. You look this area, garbage keeping area. But I think it is not proper. Fooding is spreading here and there, throwing by people. These are gunny bags by garbage. So you look. This is not proper way. Keeping not properly, incorrectly. Look. Look at this place. The garbage is stored incorrectly. It should be put in order. This can spread the disease. Currently the coronavirus is spreading in large number. So this is unauthorized pieces throwing here. You look. I think this is broken commode kept in incorrect place. This is not fair. Otherwise you look here and there, nice place, nice cleaning areas. This is our big society. Everywhere is cleaning nicely. Some areas exception, some areas throwing chocolate wrappers, biscuit covers in also boxes, throwing by people, also children's. Rest of places is very good and very nice. So look nicely. This is our big garden with playground for children, also senior citizens. You look there. Jogging track is there also. So it is very nice. Greenery is there and so beautiful. All leaves loaded trees. There is almond trees, anjeer trees also, and orange trees. So nice society. We take care about that. In this corona situation, we should take precaution about the cleanliness and हिंदी में कहा जाता है कि एक कदम स्वच्छता की ओर by order by Prime Minister. This is good for our health. All trees getting so more and more oxygens to us. This is very nice place. All are wonderful and beautiful. There is coconut tree and greenery also. That's why we are taking care about all things regarding cleanliness, hygiene for our health. We're eating healthy food in this pandemic situation. We're taking care about cleanliness. All garbage and wrappers and papers, plastic pieces, broken gunny bags are kept in proper manner in the specific area. We should alert to everyone regarding the cleanliness of our residential area. Look here also, all places very good except some places. This is my very well and good society. We are taking care about cleanliness. We are operating cleaning, Clean India, Green India and Clean India. This is the important to us. स्वच्छ रहना, स्वच्छ जगह, स्वच्छ ठीक से, ये अपने शरीर के लिए बहुत अच्छा रहता है और वो हर एक इंसान का कर्तव्य है कि अपना देश, अपनी जगह जहाँ हम लोग रहते हैं वो सब ठीक से ढंग से स्वच्छ रखना चाहिए. यह हमारा कर्तव्य अपने देश के प्रति. और हर एक ने एक जिम्मा उठाना चाहिए. वी शुड टेक केयर अबाउट all things regarding cleaning and hygiene. Otherwise we are suffering from viral disease like coronavirus. Right now it's spreading all over world. Thank you.